The bond between Turkey and Africa is not new. It is deeply rooted in history. For centuries, the two regions have interacted. They have traded and exchanged ideas. This shared past laid the foundation for a unique relationship. The Ottoman Empire, with its vast reach, had a significant presence in Africa. This presence fostered cultural exchange and understanding. It created lasting ties of kinship and mutual respect. Today, Turkey is building upon this legacy. Turkey's approach to Africa is distinct. It is based on mutual respect, not exploitation. It recognizes Africa's agency and potential. This approach resonates deeply with African nations. It is a refreshing change from the historical patterns of colonialism and paternalism. Turkey's commitment to Africa is evident in its diplomatic engagement. In recent years, Turkey has dramatically expanded its diplomatic presence across the continent. This expansion signifies a long-term vision. Turkish embassies and consulates are not just diplomatic outposts, they are vibrant centers of cultural exchange and cooperation. They facilitate trade, investment, and people-to-people connections. They are building blocks of a stronger, more interconnected future. This diplomatic surge is unprecedented. No other non-African nation has made such a concerted effort to engage with Africa on its own terms. It is a testament to Turkey's belief in Africa's potential. It is a vote of confidence in the continent's future. Turkey's engagement with Africa extends far beyond diplomacy. It is a multifaceted relationship that encompasses economic, social, and cultural dimensions. It is deeply rooted in a commitment to shared prosperity, mutual respect, and long-term collaboration. Turkey is actively investing in Africa's future, fostering sustainable development across various sectors, including education, healthcare, and infrastructure. Turkish companies, renowned for their expertise and experience, are undertaking ambitious projects across the continent, from urban development to rural electrification. They are building roads, bridges, and power plants, which are essential for economic growth and connectivity. They are investing in agriculture, manufacturing, and technology, driving innovation and productivity. These investments are creating jobs, boosting economies, and improving lives by providing new opportunities and enhancing living standards. Turkey's development assistance is tailored to meet Africa's specific needs, ensuring that projects are relevant and impactful. It focuses on capacity building, knowledge transfer, and empowering local communities, enabling them to take charge of their own development. This approach ensures that development is sustainable and benefits all, leaving no one behind. It is about empowering Africans to become self-reliant and shape their own destinies, fostering a future where they can thrive independently and with confidence. Education is the cornerstone of progress. Turkey recognizes this and is deeply invested in empowering Africa's future generations. Turkish universities are opening campuses across Africa, providing world-class education to African students. These institutions are not just imparting knowledge, they are fostering cultural exchange and understanding. They are creating a new generation of African leaders, equipped with the skills and perspectives to drive their continent forward. Turkey is also providing scholarships to African students to study in Turkey. This exchange of knowledge and culture further strengthens the bonds between the two regions. It creates lasting friendships and fosters a spirit of mutual understanding. Section 5. Healthcare, healing hands, touching lives. Access to quality healthcare is a fundamental human right, and Turkey is committed to improving healthcare outcomes in Africa. Turkish hospitals and medical professionals, renowned for their expertise and compassion, are making significant impacts. Through Turkish medical missions, vital healthcare services are being provided to underserved communities across Africa. They are performing life-saving surgeries, delivering essential medical supplies, and training local healthcare workers. Moreover, Turkey is investing in building hospitals and clinics in Africa, equipped with the latest medical technology. This commitment to improving healthcare infrastructure is saving lives and giving hope to millions. Section 6. Infrastructure. Building the backbone of progress. Infrastructure is the backbone of any thriving economy. Turkey is playing a crucial role in developing Africa's infrastructure, connecting people, markets, and opportunities. Renowned for their expertise and efficiency, Turkish construction companies are building roads, bridges, airports, and seaports across the continent. These projects are reducing transportation costs, facilitating trade, and unlocking economic potential. This infrastructural development is not just about concrete and steel. It's about connecting people, bridging divides, and creating opportunities for all. It's about building a brighter future for Africa. Section 7. Beyond aid, a hand up, not a handout. Turkey's approach to Africa goes beyond traditional aid models. It is about empowering Africans to become self-reliant and shape their own destinies. Turkey is promoting trade and investment as the most sustainable path to development. Turkish companies are partnering with African businesses, creating joint ventures and sharing expertise. This model of cooperation ensures that the benefits of economic growth are shared equitably. This approach recognizes Africa's potential as an equal partner in progress. It is about creating a win-win situation for all involved. It is about building a future where Africa is not just a recipient of aid, but a driving force in the global economy. Section 8, a new dawn redefining partnerships for the 21st century. In an era where global dynamics are constantly shifting, the need for innovative and equitable partnerships has never been more critical. Turkey's engagement with Africa is a beacon of hope in a world often characterized by self-interest and competition. This collaboration goes beyond mere diplomacy. It is a heartfelt commitment to uplift and empower communities. It is a testament to the power of partnership, based on mutual respect, shared values, and a common vision for a better future. These cultural exchanges symbolize a deeper connection, one that transcends borders and unites people through shared heritage and mutual admiration. This new model of partnership is not about imposing solutions, but about working together to find solutions that work for everyone. It emphasizes collaboration, where both parties bring their strengths to the table, creating a synergy that leads to sustainable development. It is about listening to Africa's needs, respecting its agency, and supporting its aspirations. By prioritizing dialogue and understanding, Turkey and Africa are setting a precedent for how nations can work together harmoniously. This is not just about Turkey and Africa. It is about setting a new standard for international cooperation in the 21st century. It is about building a world where partnerships are based on equality, respect, and a shared commitment to progress for all. The visible impact of these collaborative projects in both Turkish and African cities is a testament to what can be achieved when nations come together with a common purpose. Section 9. Shared values. This partnership is more than just a diplomatic endeavor. It is a vision for a future where two diverse regions come together to create something greater than the sum of their parts. The future of the Turkey-Africa partnership is filled with promise. With each passing year, the bonds between Turkey and African nations grow stronger, paving the way for unprecedented opportunities in trade, education, and cultural exchange. As both regions continue to grow and prosper, their cooperation will only deepen, leading to greater understanding, shared prosperity, and a more peaceful and interconnected world. This growth is not just economic, but also social, as communities from both regions learn from each other and build lasting relationships. This partnership is a testament to the power of collaboration and a beacon of hope for a future where nations work together to address common challenges and build a better world for generations to come. From tackling climate change to improving healthcare, the collaborative efforts of Turkey and Africa are setting new standards for international cooperation. The Turkey-Africa partnership is not just a strategic alliance, it is a testament to the enduring power of friendship, respect, and a shared vision for a brighter future. This vision is built on mutual respect and a commitment to uplifting each other, ensuring that both regions can thrive together. It is a model for the world, proving that cooperation, not competition, is the key to unlocking progress for all. By working together, Turkey and Africa are showing that unity and collaboration can overcome any obstacle.
Join Intel Prime Channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.